Catalin, Ganley, welcome to Madasha Fran again.
Thank you very much for having me. You know what? This has been an amazing experience. I have been totally overwhelmed by the incredible support that has come forward.
Yeah.
And I'm really excited to talk about the things that are most important to me, which are cutting people's costs and raising their wages.
Some may say the reason why people cannot afford the rent, they cannot pay their bills, it's something out of the government's hand. It's not Alberta's power to decide how the price is changing, the inflation, and how the economy runs. So what would you say to those?
So I would say that there actually is a lot the government can do. So the government can offer people public auto insurance. That has been shown. Auto insurance in places where there's public auto is much less expensive, right? So it's more expensive in Alberta than it is other places. The provincial government can do that. Our electricity bills are also way higher here than they are in other places.